Modern home design in Coppell continues to evolve, blending clean architectural lines with comfortable, livable spaces. Homeowners are increasingly drawn to features that maximize natural light, enhance openness, and create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor environments. One design element that plays a central role in achieving this look is the picture window. With their large, fixed glass panels and minimal framing, picture windows have become a defining feature in many contemporary Coppell homes. Here's how they contribute to modern design while supporting comfort and efficiency. Creating open, airy interiors. One of the hallmarks of modern design is openness. Picture windows support this by allowing expansive views and flooding rooms with natural light. Because they do not open, they feature fewer frame divisions, resulting in clean sightlines and uninterrupted glass. In living rooms, dining areas, and open concept spaces, picture windows make interiors feel larger and more connected. In Coppell homes with thoughtfully landscaped yards or pool areas, they frame outdoor scenery like a piece of art. The visual flow they create aligns perfectly with modern architectural trends. Maximizing natural light. Natural light is a cornerstone of contemporary home design. Picture windows allow sunlight to pour in throughout the day, reducing reliance on artificial lighting and enhancing overall ambiance. In Coppell's sunny climate, well-placed picture windows brighten interiors while maintaining energy efficiency when paired with modern glass technology. The result is a welcoming, well-lit space that feels both stylish and comfortable. Rooms with abundant daylight tend to feel more inviting and energizing, a key goal in modern home layouts. Enhancing architectural simplicity. Modern design often emphasizes simplicity and minimalism. Picture windows complement this aesthetic by eliminating unnecessary hardware, grids, or moving parts. Their streamlined appearance supports clean exterior lines and uncluttered facades. Whether installed as a dramatic focal point or combined with smaller operable windows, picture windows maintain architectural balance. For Coppell homeowners seeking a refined, contemporary look, this simplicity is a major advantage. Energy efficiency. For modern living. While style is important, performance is equally essential. Today's picture windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and insulating gas fills help regulate indoor temperatures. Because picture windows are fixed and do not open, they create a tight, secure seal that minimizes air leakage. In Coppell, where summers can be warm and winters occasionally cool, this added insulation helps maintain consistent indoor comfort while potentially lowering energy costs. Pairing with functional window styles. Although picture windows do not provide ventilation, they can be paired with operable window styles such as casement or double-hung windows. This combination allows homeowners to enjoy panoramic views while still benefiting from airflow when needed. The large central picture window maintains a clean visual focus, while side windows add functionality. This flexibility supports both modern aesthetics and practical living. Highlighting key areas of the home. In many Coppell homes, picture windows are strategically placed in high-impact areas. Living rooms overlooking backyards, dining spaces facing gardens, stairwells that benefit from added light. Master bedrooms with scenic views. Their ability to showcase outdoor surroundings makes them a valuable design feature. Increasing home value and appeal. Modern buyers often prioritize homes with bright, open interiors and contemporary finishes. Picture windows contribute to this appeal by enhancing both interior and exterior aesthetics. Homes with thoughtfully placed picture windows often feel more spacious and updated, qualities that add long-term value. A defining feature in Coppell design. Picture windows are more than just a source of light. They're a defining element of modern home design in Coppell. By combining expansive views, architectural simplicity, and energy-efficient performance, they enhance both form and function. For homeowners looking to create a bright, open, and contemporary space, picture windows offer a stylish solution that complements today's design trends while supporting everyday comfort.